Okay, in my quest to build my makeup artist kit in the most affordable way, I was on Sephora's website looking through their sale tab, and I came across this awesome concealer palette. It's a collaboration with Sephora and Pantone, and it's called the Correct and Conceal palette. I actually have it here. I'm also going to do a short demonstration using the product, but when I ran across this, I thought it was an amazing value for $25. You actually get 15 shades in one here, and it's basically going to help you identify, target, and resolve any problem area that your client may have. And because it has such a wide range of colors, you're pretty much ready for anything, and you don't have to have a bunch of products in your kit as one. Alright, this is a set of 15 creamy concealer and corrector shades created by the Sephora Pro team, experts with Pantone's color expertise. Each of these palettes is targeted towards a main area concern for color correcting: dark circles, redness, hyperpigmentation, dullness, and brightening. The shades also conceal for a true color correction. Each palette is organized for 3 different skin tones and includes a handy booklet with an application instruction, tips, and tricks from the Sephora Pro team. Or you get 2 different ones. They have a medium to dark shade, and they also have a light to medium shade. I'll go ahead and open this one so that you can see what it looks like. Here it comes in a really sleek, compact container here, and then it also has something that I really like, is a really big and pretty mirror. I love the mirror here, and this is the light to medium shades here. The consistency of the product is very good. High pigmentation, you do get the color payoff. It does do the job when it comes to concealing. If you take a look at the video that I have playing right here, you see that now one thing about this concealer that I do want to let you know, a little bit goes a long way. You can either use your fingers or a brush. I decided to use a brush because I don't like to apply pressure to my eye areas using my fingers, but again, a little bit goes a long way. So if you're new to this product, please take time to maybe test it out and see how it works for you. So I totally suggest this as a product to use in your makeup kit. Number one, because of the size, you can easily fit it into your kit. It doesn't take up a lot of space, and it comes in 2 shade ranges. So if you're looking for something great to build in your artist kit without spending a whole lot of money, you just got 30 shades for 50 bucks to go in your kit, and they're totally awesome. So that was my review on the Sephora Pantone Correct and Conceal palette. If there are any artists out there who have other great products, please comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Also give us a thumbs up. And if you don't do anything else today, stay beautiful and love one another. Thank you so much for watching.